Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Wesley. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how you could increase the value of your company and generate some more exposure on Google and create some more traffic, some more leads, and some more sales. First thing you're going to need in a website is content, backlinks, and citations. Those are three things that are very important. So let's go over a few things. First, you understand every time you type something into here, into Google, these are keywords that Google is going to look for from other websites that best fit this search criteria through their content and the keywords that they have inside of their content in their web page. We call that SEO, search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content that's relevant to these keywords that get typed in here and then categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site depending on your competition and number of keywords that are needed. Now, for example, you're out of Raleigh, so I typed in tree service Raleigh. Of course, you understand that this is the map area. The map section is a great tool to have. This directly reflects your Google business profile and citations. Citations is name, address, phone number, anything name, address, phone number with the service location connected to your business that you want to serve. Citation directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, all of those help you rank here in the map area and generate a lot of exposure. Not a lot of people get past the first page of Google when they're searching. Something near me, service near me, tree service near me. So the map is a great way to generate a lot of traffic and have a lot of leads come in when those leads become sales. Underneath the map, all these companies and businesses that are listed here is considered an organic rank, and they organically rank here through their content and their keywords and their backlinks. So we do have Raleigh Tree Service, which is arbormaxtree.com. He's number one right here at the top. Of course, we have a Yelp, that's an advertisement. And then we have Everett Tree Service, he's right here at number three. And then we have Angie, an advertisement at number four. So I quickly wanted to go over a little bit about how this works. I chose Raleigh Tree Service. This is their particular website right here. And I have a tool that I can use to see what's going on behind closed doors. The tool is called Ahrefs, and I can see with Ahrefs that their website has 338 backlinks. Now, a backlink is where one website links to another. It is like an endorsement of your website from another website. It's how Google creates trust. It's a popularity contest. And from these 338 backlinks, there's 118 directly connected domains to his site, and he has 502 keywords that are generating him around 932 views per month of traffic. So every time somebody's typing into here, Tree Service Raleigh, he has enough keywords within his content of his website to generate him 932 views, which is potential clients and customers and leads that become sales. Now, all of these keywords plus his backlinks are obtainable by you as well, and then some. So to give you an idea, tree removal crane gets searched 450 times per month. Tree service Raleigh, 400 times a month. Tree service Raleigh, North Carolina. See how that changes? But those keywords are still there. 350 times on the Raleigh, North Carolina. Raleigh tree service, 400 times. Crane for tree removal, 450 times. So you can start to see when you add all this up, that is the amount of views per month from the keywords that are generating the exposure for him, and that can bring in a lot of traffic. Now, again, we can look at the backlinks. So, for example, we want a backlink with a strong domain rank and that has a decent amount of traffic. Now, let's see Best Tree Service Raleigh. We're at trees.com. It's a backlink. Again, this is another website linked to his as an endorsement. They refer to him, so it is a strong backlink for him, and that particular site gets 537,000 views a month. Now keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. You would not want your local ice cream shop referring back to your website for tree service. It doesn't carry as much weight and as much power as another relevant service does. Another tree service referring to you does. So I wanted to explain that a little bit. Now, all of these backlinks are obtainable by you and then some. So if he has 338 backlinks, you want 400. If he's got 502 keywords, you want 800. You want to be able to beat or meet your competitor to move yourself up into the structure of the rank here on the first page. It's important to understand having a well-built website and the value that it can bring to you. Many companies build beautiful websites, but they'll fall short when it comes to content and SEO. And you want to make sure you can get yourself out there and exposed for the keywords that people are looking for. And then you can quickly see once Google starts to trust you and sees that you're endorsed by others, they will move you into the first page and up the rank structure and expose you. And this will generate a lot of revenue, a lot of customers, and a lot of views, more leads. So I was wanting to take the time to explain that. I hope you found the information useful. And if you find yourself wanting some more information, we could talk. I could do some research and find out what exactly is realistic for you or your business and what you were looking to do. Thanks again for your time. Have a nice night.